Today I will show you how to replace the hood insulator in your car. Hood insulator plays the role of the blocking noise and heat from the engine of the car. The pad absorbs noise to reduce the sound coming out of the hood and prevents the paint on the bonnet from easily damaging due to sudden engine temperature changes. The car is a Volkswagen Polo 6R. You can purchase various auto parts on the internet. The important point is to purchase the correct parts for your vehicle type. Even the same car model may have a different parts depending on the year of the production. Therefore, it is important to verify the correct model, such as the production code. When the product arrives, we check the part. There is one big hood insulator and 10 mounting clips. First, open the bonnet and remove the existing hood insulator. As you can see, the installed hood insulator is in bad condition. The shape of the insulator is distorted and not fully formed, and the lower part is no longer connected to the bonnet, creating a large space. There are rips, dust, and insects in between. Then remove the mounting clips of the hood insulator one by one. Now, all the mounting clips on the old hood insulator has been removed. Let's get rid of it. As you can see, it is very damaged. It's time to install the new hood insulator. Position the new hood insulator in place and mount them one by one with the mounting clips. Insert the lower part of the hood insulator into the hole under the bonnet. Then insert the rest of mounting clips. All work is done. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to replace the hood insulator. There are various contents on my channel. If you liked my video, please hit the like button. Thank you.